Trade Union Act 1926 is in 3 steps. First 5 steps, ST College and 3 friends, first name APRA and next more and third direction. S means short title and D means definition. APRA is appointment of registrar and more is modes of registration and same way action is application for registration. Next 4 steps story. Students crying while doing physical exercise. It means PTR or provision of trade union registration. Next, PC dancing or PC plus TNC, it means power to call, details and name change. Next class civil engineering or CE certificate of registration and CA means cancellation of registration. For final 4 steps remember, Apple roosted and Indian National Congress RO water and last CA. Apple is appeal and roosted is RO means registered office and last 2, INC and RO means incorporation of registered office and CA. Certain acts do not apply to registered trade union. Hope everything is clear to you now. Remember the formula in 3 steps. First, 3 friends in ST College. Then, PTR and PC dance, and civil engineering and chartered accountant. Finally, Apple roasted, Indian National Congress, RO water, and course of chartered accountant.